We're going to practice again a few more problems, and then your assignment will be to find the total surface area of the shapes, just like we're doing on here. All right, so let's start this top one. So again, I'm going to start with the outside ones, and so I'm just going to take it and cover these up so we can look, so we can see 5 and 5. So again, multiply 5 times 5 is 25. So we do have 2 of them. Again, just go ahead and put your answer on the other side. Make it, it's going to be the same. Okay, so if I look at the top, we have 10 times 5, which is 50. Okay, and again, you see a 5, there's your 10, so we get 50. And then it's going to be the same all the way down. So you're either going to have a pattern where it's like every other one is different, or they'll all be the same. Because again, since these outside ones are squares, that makes the middle the same. But the outside little shapes are rectangles, you'll have a pattern. All right, so now we're going to add. So 25 plus 25 is 50. And we have, so there's 150, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to multiply this by 5. So we get 25 inches squared. All right, so let's look at our next one. So again, we're going to find the area of all the shapes. I'm going to start at the top. So we have 4 and 8, which is 32. Okay, and if I cover that up, we see that the next box says 6 and 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. And again, we're going to have a pattern of those. So if that's 32, that's 48. So we continue the pattern. Then we're going to find the outside one. So we see 4 here. The side is 6. So we're going to multiply 4 times 6, which is 24. 24. And then now we're going to add. So 24 plus 24 is 48. And then we've got 3 48s. So 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12. 144. 32. And 32 makes 64. So we're going to add it up, which is 210 centimeters squared. All right, so for our last one, same thing. Find the area of each shape, and then we'll add them together. So our little ones, we see 3 and 4, which is 12. We have 2 of those, so put it on both sides. Then we'll start at the top. So we have 4 and 8, which is 32. This one is 3 this time, so that means going across, again, is a long one. It's going to be 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. And then again, it's going to be a pattern. So 32, 24, 32, 24. Now we're going to add. So 32 and 32 is 64. 24, 24 is 48. 12 plus 12 is 24. And we get 136 feet squared. All right, so now your homework will be to do the same thing. You'll be given problems, and you have to find the area of your figure of your net.